So let's combine some of these patterns here. So right now it's just randomly choosing a color and brightness for that first pixel and cascading down. So that was NeoPixel 115 Cascade, right? We made this little program. So what if we added a little bit of sparkle to the first one, but maybe, right? Maybe it sparkles, maybe it doesn't. Actually, let's clean this all up first. Let's just make it like a fading color that goes through. So under our loop here, well, before our loop, I guess we'll make a int called color. All right, and then instead of a random color, we'll actually choose color here, and we'll keep it. You know what? We'll do a fade too. We'll have it fading and pulsing. Int fade. Okay, and so we'll have this set to fade, whatever we set fade to. Okay. So if, not if, let's see, we're doing color plus plus. Okay, color percent equals 1024. Okay. And then we'll do fade plus plus. And fade percent equals 512. That's right, 512. Cool. Okay. So it's going to set that color and pixel to fade and delay. Oh, that's a huge delay. Let's do a delay of like 550. We'll see what happens. I want to get a smooth looking movement of these colors. Right now it's a little choppy. Right? I'm thinking something like 12 or so. I'll do 8. It might be a little fast. We'll see. Okay. That didn't do much. Oh, there it goes. Oh, that's right, because fade has to come up. But yeah, that's going really slow. So yeah, we'll try a delay of 8. I want to see some changes here. Well, it still won't show many changes. I think I'm going to have to up that color plus the color increment a bit. There we go. Okay. So now we're going. But it's still not very different. So I'm going to do color plus equals 10. And then I want to get some color separation here. There we go. So now we have the colors pulsing through. And then the fades are pulsing through also. Okay. So now this is looking pretty cool. How do we send some sparkles up? Like some random just sparkles that are on. Like we're just going to send some white pixels up randomly, right? Okay, so right now it sets that pixel to fade or the color and fade. Let's do if not random 20. So there's a random chance. Oh, whoops, I gotta end that parentheses. I made that same mistake in what is it? NeoPixel. Yeah, NeoPixel 112, where I actually showed how this works. By the way, if you're wondering why this works, I show you in 112. So basically, if random is set to 0, which it has a 1 out of 20 chance of being 0, it's going to strip.set pixel color 0, comma 255, comma 255, comma 255. Okay. So randomly, there'll be little white sparkles going up this strip. Well, if this works right? There's a 1 out of 20 chance that it'll be white instead of the color it's set to. So that's going to overwrite it. Oh, there it goes. So now there's just these random white pixels going up. But boy, that's a lot of them. Well, that's not bad. I think I'd have to have it like random 50 or something. Okay. So that's how to send the white pixels up with a cascade. But what if we just wanted like a general sparkle, like all around here, it like just sparkles randomly? Or we're just gonna have one sparkle. There we go, 1 out of 50 chance. Looks a lot better. So there's 2 of them on there. There's 4 of them going now. Oh, and we went out down to almost nothing. But yeah, now there's these white sparkles coming around randomly with the colors. Okay, so what I'm going to do here is comment that out. And now we're going to set these pixels right. We're going to do a cascade. What I'm going to do here is I'm going to do the variable is called word. Word, because it's 16 bits unsigned. Word, let's see. Word color hold. I guess I should do an int sparkle first. Int sparkle equals random LED underscore count. Okay, so it's going to pick a random LED as a sparkle variable, right? Okay, and word color hold. So we're going to make a variable to hold the color that it was. That way it doesn't keep sending that white up there. So if it's blue right here, what it's going to do is put blue inside color hold, and then it's going to show white on it. And after it's done showing it, it's going to set that pixel back to blue. So that way the white doesn't just keep going up from it. Okay? Equals strip dot get pixel, capital C other, sparkle. Okay. So it's going to store that variable into color hold. And then we're going to do a strip dot set pixel color sparkle, comma 255, comma 255, comma 255. There we go. Okay. Then it's going to show it. And then we're going to do a strip dot set pixel color sparkle, comma color hold. There we go. So pixel random LED saves the current color of that LED, sets that color to white, shows it, and then resets it back to its original color, and then waits. Okay, let's see if that works here. Instead of having the white go up, it should just have one of these randomly sparkling white. So it's like the original sparkle function of 112. There we go. So now we got these random sparkles with the colors going everywhere. So now we're layering effects. And we're still using a delay function. We're not even getting into the timing and millis functions yet. So, anyways, so what do we have stacked here? We have the rainbow effect. We have sort of a chase, but really it's a cascade. We have the sparkle effect. We have the pulsing effect. So all those are happening all at once. Yeah, hopefully it's not too hard to understand. The code's not huge, right? And so we've got the cascade subroutine, which just shifts everything down one. We've got this set pixel, which is just an easy way to set colors and brightnesses. And then we got this simple little program that increments the color, increments the fade, sets the color, and then picks a random LED, saves the color, turns that LED white, shows it, sets it back to its original color, and then we're waiting 8 milliseconds. Hopefully that makes sense to you guys. If you have questions, just comment. Thanks for watching.